to do. Show me how to feel under your control. Everything is real, so hit me. So hit me. So hit me. First a confession. With you, I feel a connection. With you, it's like an infection. I've been infected with an obsession. With you, never any tension. Nothing but love and affection. Enough of my case, so let's cut to the chase. Listen up, cause these are the directions. Obey what I say, don't complain, I don't wanna hear questions. Follow my lead, time to fall to your knees. It's an order, it's not a suggestion. I'm about to teach you a lesson. I recommend you pay attention. This is my kingdom, you're stripped of all freedom. You want nothing but my possession. Head back, hands tied, mouth shut, eyes wide. Baby, I'm yours. So baby, I'm yours. Whatever you say, go. Nobody needs to know. Whatever you say, go. I'm under your control. So hit me. So, for the remainder, you were about to get chained up. If ever you...
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Tilapia. We'll take a quick break and I'm gonna go do the right thing. That was an angry bass.
That's what girls are for. That's what girls are for. Clean and bacon, hot, lovely.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, that will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear, wondering what if the end end is so near. All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining. Getting close and I just been examining all of the fake shit the game has been packaging. I've been keeping it real, I've been doing what I feel. I've been out here trying to kill every beat. I know I will. Everything I'm working on, every night another song. They've been quiet all alone. Ain't gonna know.
Sexy boys, fancy boys, play boys, bad boys. I think you're freaky and I like you a lot. I think you're freaky and I like you a lot. I think you're freaky and I like you a lot. I think you're freaky and I like you a lot.
Hey guys, back in the car after a long drag home. It was a really good day, the most bass I've caught in ages, right from the little stuff as you would have seen, up to a couple of mid-40s fish, which is really good out of such skinny water. Every fish I caught today came on a Mazzy Pop. They're definitely one of my favourite lures, especially in shallow water. You would have seen lots of pictures of me with fish on those. I actually got a tilapia today too. When I was winding him in, there was 3 or 4 up his ass too. They're good fun to catch, but I hate seeing them in the river. Any pest is an enemy of mine, but it was good to get out here and catch some in the rain, and hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hopefully I can keep bringing more of these to you, and we can all sort of share in the fun of fishing. So I'll talk to you soon. Later.